Welcome to the FLEXPoint video tutorial series. In this video, I will walk you through our newly designed FLEXPoint application designed to manage your PowerScout FLEX meter. Upon launching the application, your first step is to connect to your meter. You can connect through a USB cable, Ethernet connection, or directly over your local network. Use the Scan Network feature to find meters already connected to your network. After connecting, the FLEXPoint application will load your meter's existing configuration and data. Let's walk through the main areas of FLEXPoint. In the top bar, you can easily see the meter's description, a button to connect to a different meter, and a help icon. Along the left side is the main navigation menu, as well as meter status information such as the meter's real-time clock and alarm notifications. Let's briefly go through each main navigation item. On the home screen, you can see some additional information about your meter, as well as primary action buttons that will lead you to the configuration screen or real-time data analysis. In the configuration section, you can create and manage your virtual meters, change settings for your meter, configure alarms, and manage pulse inputs if applicable. In the data analysis section, you can view all the real-time data measurements for your meter, such as power, energy accumulation, and waveform data. On the support page, you can find all the necessary contact details if product support is required. Additionally, you can export your meter's configuration settings to a file to be used in a support situation. On the About page, you can view full details about your meter and update the firmware for your meter if necessary. This concludes the general overview of the FLEXPoint application. Check out our other tutorial videos to learn more about specific features of the FLEXPoint application and the PowerScout FLEX meter.